Alright, well, welcome. On the show this week, we do some sewing, and we piddle around with the radio, and we do some nonsense. There's a bit of tomfoolery. The usual fare here at Shed by the Track. Okay, well, today we're going to finish up the stitching across the panels, Finish that up, then we're going to fold the edges over and glue them and staple them. That's the plan anyway. And yeah, let's just hope that goes well. Let's get to it. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. First of all, we're going to get some glue on this and make a big mess. Okay, yeah. Okay. My bench is falling apart. And I'm in the light. How's that? That better? There we go. Okay, well, this is how it looks. There's the seam that's attached to the door card. And we got this wrapped around here. And we got it stapled. So, now we got to do this up there. But That's for another day. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad. Good enough for me. Well, I've been shopping. I've bought some new clothes. I know, it's hard to believe. But some of the guys I watch on the old YouTube have some merchandise, and I thought maybe I'd show you what I bought. Here's the first one from the Flivver channel. There's Stephen's Model T 1926. Beautiful car, all original paint. And I got this one, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago. Okay, well, here's another one. How do you like that? Boy, that looks nice, don't it? Yeah. This one is from Carter's Auto Restyling. Yeah, Carter's Auto Restyling. You know, I think I've been saying that wrong for all this time. Oh well. The third one is from, you guessed it, Shed by the Tracks. Yep, I ponied up and bought my own t-shirt. There we go, the Morphine Queen. How's that look to you? Am I holding it straight? Doesn't look straight. There we go. Yeah. So, go and, let me back up here. In frame, go to Carter's Auto Restyling and the Flivver channel and pick yourself up a t-shirt. They fit well, I like them. And if you get a chance, you can go over to that guy in his shed and get one of his Morphine Queen t-shirts. Yeah. Okay, well, that's the end of the paid promotion now. All I need is paid. Okay, well, as you probably know, man, that's right in my eyes. We got the radio out of the Buick, and I've got my big book of knowledge here. Plus, let's see, I got some other stuff in here. Edit. Some stuff I got off the internet, which has some specs on there, and then what it looks like inside, like that. We have the schematics, Mr. Shaky. So, I watched a few YouTube videos on this, so I am by no means an expert. And just before I turned the camera on, I hurt my hand and now it's bleeding. Damn it. So I'm just going to kind of, do this for 15 or 20 minutes and hope it stops. Anyway, I'm going to open this up I've done enough research to kind of think I know what's wrong with it, but, you know, many a slip between the cup and the lip. So let's take it apart here and we'll see what all's inside. I'm going to try to position the camera so you can see as much of this and less of me. So, okay. All right. So we got the book, and we're going to take the back off, which I think someone has been into already. There we go. Which is not a good sign for anything, because there's no telling what kind of mess is going to await us here. And I believe, yeah, they took the bolts out of it, took the nuts out of it. Do I have a screwdriver of any kind around here? There we go. See, there should be screws in the top of there. So somebody's been in here and probably butchered it. Oh boy. Are we missing anything? Yes. Well, maybe not. Let's see. There's what it looks like inside. Right there. What we're looking for, I think, is this piece right here. That should be the vibrator. But first and foremost, I'm going to reposition that camera. That's better. Yeah, they took the screw out of that. This is antenna. This is power, I believe. Maybe not. This might be power. This is power. This is antenna. And man, they have just bent the crap out of this. I'm telling you, I'm losing hope here pretty quick. Just for the simple fact that somebody's that had less knowledge than me has been in here. Well, let's get out our schematic here. 8. Voltage. Where does the voltage? Antenna is over here. Well, the only thing we can do is try. Front off. I think to do that, all you have to do is do this. Oh, Earl's gonna want up here, and I've got stuff everywhere. Come on up, you pest. Okay, somebody has been in here and recapped it. They put different caps in it, capacitors. So somebody's in here. You can see these are modern, these caps. They've got them all through here. Man, there's a lot of bugs in there. Oh. More than I can chew. More than I can chew. Let me turn on my headlight here so I can see down in here. Looks like somebody did a pretty good job of this. Not seeing anything real bad. I'm going to study this a while and come back, okay? Because, man, I'm lost already. All right, I figured out that this is the power, this is the antenna. I kind of tried to bend this mounting thing back the way it's supposed to be because it was creamed, it was garbage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to solder a little leader wire onto here so that I can bring it out and get an alligator clip on it. That way we can power it up and see what's going on. So that's what we're going to try to do here. Man, you just can't see nothing. I think I got this camera on the wrong side. Hang on. Okay. All right. That's maybe better. I don't know. Maybe you can see, maybe you can't. Maybe it doesn't even matter. Let's see. Is this hot enough to do anything yet? Man, I'm shaky. Okay, let's get some solder on this. Whoop. Yep, that's hot. We'll just get a little on here for it to bite into. Decent contact there. Then I think we'll get some solder on there. Let's see. Tip's getting dirty. Oops. Oh, I wish I shook more. That would really help. Okay. Let's see if we can. Let's see. That looks like it has a bigger blob on it. Bigger the blob, the better the job. That's what they used to say at NASA. Bigger the blob, the better the job. Okay. Now, let's take, just for safety's sake, am I burning myself yet? Let's put a little bit of tape around that. Just in case things get hairy. I can't hurt this thing, you know. It does. It doesn't work already, so you know I can't really hurt it. We're not touching anywhere, right? Yeah, because this has to be isolated. So buttons. All right, I'm going to get set up with my battery and hook this up. We're just going to go for it. That's what else is there to do, you know? Okay. Here we go. Now, if we can hear the vibrator vibrating, we've got a chance. Or if it goes up in smoke, then we don't have a lot of chance. But I've got it turned on, and I'm going to ground it right there. She be grounded, and we're just going to go for it. smoke. Hold the lights on so we don't have any vibrating going on. So the next thing we're going to do is take this out, take it apart, and clean the contacts on it. See if we can get it to vibrate. Alright, well, I don't know if you can see that light in there or what, but she's, yeah. Not off of there. And I believe this is the vibrator, the vibrator right there. Let's look on our plans here and find out. Man, I shake. M1, 6 volts, vibrator. I don't know if you can read that or not. That's what that is. M1. Alright, well, we'll worry about that after we get this taken care of. Come on, baby. Okay. 4-pin. Somebody's been into this already. Well, that's not a very encouraging sign that someone has been in here already. There we go. I'll try to keep in frame, okay? What we want to do is peel this back like someone has already did, and see if we can clean this vibrator. This is only going to take this so many times. There's been somebody in here that kind of knew what they were doing. Probably somebody like me that has just enough knowledge to get hurt really bad. If I can't make this one work, then I'm going to, I don't know, buy another one, buy a whole nother radio, because they're cheap. If they don't work, they're cheap. This this takes 6 volts. Let's see, how's that work? Takes inputted 6 volts DC into it. Then it turns it to AC, vibrates it to AC, and the end result is I think you got a couple hundred volts coming out of this. And that's to run the plates or whatever on the tubes. That's the way it was explained to me. But like I say, knowing that someone has already been in here is not encouraging. If there weren't any dead shorts, here we go, here we go. There it is. Here's the contacts right here. That's what we're going to clean. Smells like 1949. All right, let's see. What are we going to clean those with? Okay, I'm back. I believe this is a glasses off operation. This is all I really found to do this with is some sandpaper. What do I got here? 320 grit. So, I don't know. Let's just spray some contact cleaner in there and see what that does too. I just don't know if I actually did anything. I guess all I can do is put it back together. So let's do that. You know, I've been thinking about a subject here lately that I'll bet a lot of you guys out in your sheds are thinking about too. And that subject is fashion. Yep. Now, I don't mean the kind of fashion like that oddball kid in high school. No. I'm talking about the kind of clothes people wear out in public now. Yeah. So the next time you're out there at the big box store, you know, on a 6-mile hike to buy one package of screws, yeah, take a look around. Yeah, there's lots to see. And the first thing you're going to notice is the people that should be wearing the most clothes, unfortunately, have the least clothes on. Now, you're going to see a vast array of fashion choices, and they all say the same thing about the person that is wearing them, and that is, I give up. Now, keep in mind that before you came to the store, you were crawling around on the shed floor looking for screws. Yeah. You know, the same screws that are locked up in that cabinet that the 16-year-old store clerk can't find a key for. Yeah, but that's a story for another day. Now, you've got holes in the knees of your pants. You've got part of your breakfast on your Pink Floyd t-shirt. Yeah, I guess what I'm saying is, you don't exactly have your church clothes on. Nope. But you know something? As you walk around the store, you start to slowly realize that you may be the best dressed human being in the entire store. Yep. You are the sharpest dressed man in a sea of overinflated yoga pants and Star Wars pajama bottoms. Now, I've never been known for my cutting-edge fashion style, except, maybe that cowboy boots and check shorts deal I wear, you know, when I mow the grass. Man, that's sharp. Now think about this. Through a quirk of fate and the decline of Western civilization, you have become a snappy dresser. Yep. So the next time you and your wife are going out to that early bird buffet and she looks at you and says, "Are you going out like that?" Just look her in the eye, tuck in your Hawaiian shirt and say, "I know what I'm doing." I think it'll stay in there. I hope so. Put her back in. Well, which way does this go? Well, I got it in there. It was a struggle. But, let's see. We are all tangled up here in blue. Okay, this is ground. Right there. And this is this. Is the light on? Yeah. Okay. And we're back. I went up and watched a couple more videos about this thing, and I'm a little less afraid of it now. So I'm going to take it apart and see. I don't think I'm getting it clean. I don't think I'm getting the contacts clean. I really don't. So I can't hurt it at this point. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to do that. I suppose I better put my headlight on. Got battery. And do that. And what the one guy said is it's okay to cut this off. Take my glasses off. Cut this off so that you can get at the contacts. And if he's wrong, I'll hunt him down like a dog. Can you see what I'm doing there? Boy, this razor blade, I don't think you could cut a stick of butter with it. That is some 70-year-old good foam rubber. All knives are dull until they come in contact with your finger. And then they're not dull anymore. Alright. Peel this away. Like he said it was okay to do. Now, take this tape off. And what we're going to do is take this apart. You know, lose the screws and the nuts and sit down and cry about it. Okay, let's hold it up to the camera so we can remember what goes where. We got 2 sets on this side, flippy thing in the middle, and 2 sets on the other side. Are we seeing? Are we looking? Okay, well, well, I got it back together, but I really don't have much hope. No, I don't. I don't have much confidence in it. What we're going to do is plug it in just like this and see if it vibrates. Contact cleaner on there. Thought I saw it go. There she goes. All right. I don't know if you can see that or not, but get you in there the best I can. And there you go. All right, let's see what we can do with that now. Ah, we're almost there. Yeah. This is the way you want to handle delicate electrical equipment, is just force it. Yeah. Okay, she's in there. All right. Are we ready? Here's ground. Got the speaker grounded. Okay. Get that. Get this to where I can see the smoke. Are you ready? Ah. There we go. I think I see some glow. I see tubes glowing. I see a light on. Well, that's a little disappointing. We're not going to give up. This car is going to have a radio in it. And it's going to be tubes like it's supposed to be. One way or the other. You can hear it buzzing. Maybe you can. So I know how to, I know how to take the vibrator apart now and get it going. But the rest of it just, this is what I've resorted to, is just hammering it. So, okay, well, we're going to buy some more parts. We're going to make something work. Yep. If I have to dump the whole budget into this, it's going to have radio. All right, till next time. Well, thanks for watching the show. I hope you had a good time and, maybe had a laugh or two. Don't forget, you can donate to the channel. The link's down below, and the link is down below to the overpriced merchandise. And don't forget to go and buy some merchandise from Flipper and Kyle. Up there at what I guess now it's called Carter's Auto Restyling. I don't know when they changed the name. Anyways, go and check those guys out. And if you got any money left over, you can get one of my Morphine Queen Buick t-shirts. Yeah, you'll look sharp in that. That, some check shorts and a pair of cowboy boots. Yeah, have to beat them off with a stick. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.